We've all dreamed of flying. This is just how we humans are. What if there was a beast as nimble as a dragonfly, with the looks and lines of the Lamborghini, allowing you to go higher, further, and faster?
Man, that was insane. Look at this.
Claiming the skies from the Arctic circles, over the scenic Swiss Alps, to the lush South American jungles. Introducing HELION. HELION was developed by industry experts to meet the rising demands for more range, more flight time, while maintaining enough weight to have excellent stability in even the most windy conditions. With a size of 10 inches, HELION is capable to effectively carry large batteries while ensuring great efficiency. HELION has better dive recovery and overall more control than traditional long-range crafts. Its unique aerodynamic shell allows for easy maintenance while protecting the cores of the powertrain when in use. HELION's distinct frame design was scientifically optimized to perfectly balance stability, weight, and rigidity. For additional safety, HELION contains the latest GPS modules to allow for you to always find your way back even on the longest of flights. Whether you are new to long range or already an experienced ranger, HELION allows you to challenge your boundaries. Let's redefine long range together and show the world the life above the clouds.